Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW guys 3 Series. I'm talking about generation F30, F31, F34. This is the generation from year 2012 to year 2019 guys. And if you need to remove or replace air filter box assembly guys, stay with us, we'll explain everything about that. And something super important, if you don't do it right, you can actually damage your air filter box. That could be expensive and you will need to replace it. So make sure you stay until the end. You can even actually damage the valve cover. So we're going to cover that as we go. Make sure you watch until the end. Now, as you know guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on BMW F30, we'll have close to 500 videos I think guys. And why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW, anything that we use, or you need something for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let us show you what we have here and what we will be doing. So we got it out and we're going to show you now what needs to be done to actually remove that whole air filter box assembly. Okay, you can see right here on that BMW, we will actually be doing timing chain replacement because, as you know, that's a weak spot on some engines. So before we start, if you guys have one of those Beamers, check out this channel, Electrical Car Repair Life. We have quite helpful information on BMWs, and this model will be covered there as well, about diagnostics, electronics, fuses, relays, electrical components, engine light, things like that. So let's start on it now. So now guys, okay, in order to remove the air filter box, now you gotta stay until the end, because if you don't do something right, okay, you can damage your air filter box and that will cost you quite a bit of money. Many people actually break that connection right there, vacuum connection, and that could be expensive things to fix. So remove your engine cover. It has 3 rubber bushings, one on this side, okay, and then it slides out this way at the same time. Okay, perfect, like that. Now what you're going to do, you're going to remove that cover all the way guys, all the way. Pull that thing out, okay, perfect. And you can see that hose right here, okay, that hose right here will actually need to be removed guys. So this hose is the one that we need. And remember how it goes under the wires, okay, that's the hose that we need. That way you're not going to break your little thing. And when you're removing it, careful not to break that tab here. It's super simple to do it, and if you break it guys, okay, you will need to replace your valve cover, and we'll have the video and the link where you can buy one guys, so check it out if that happens. So disconnect that hose that goes, okay, through the air filter box. Check it out, perfect. And you can see now, okay, what else we need to do. We need to go ahead, okay, gently pull the hose out, and here guys we need to disconnect the hose and that hose, the intake hose, and we need to disconnect the wiring harness for the mass airflow sensor. You press right here, you pull it out, perfect. Now we just have that hose that we need to disconnect right here with a flathead screwdriver. So if you guys need help with anything, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. Perfect. This one is coming loose. Okay, let's see if it's loose enough. Probably it is. Now, what you will need to do at that point, you have 3 rubber bushings. 1, 2, 3. Grab and pull it up. Okay, with 2 hands, so that way you don't break your box. Okay, almost came out. This one is a little bit tighter due to the fact, okay, it does come out, but it's just a bigger tap right here. Perfect. Okay, it came out. Now right here guys, okay, we'll need to come a little bit, okay, let me see how up it just slides up. That's where it sucks the air, okay, from the kidneys. Okay, now this hose is still holding here, so it looks like, okay, it's still not coming off. Okay, this hose is still having some tension on the box, so let me come this way a little bit. Okay, and see. Okay, I think we need to get the screwdriver and just pry it out gently. Careful not to break it. Grab it. Now that hose is going to come out. That's a piece that can break easily. Okay, and this one has been repaired in the past, so we'll have a video actually on the channel how to fix that one if that happens. Always cover your intake side. Okay, right here, and you can see the air filter box came out of there just like that. So you can see, guys, this is your air filter box assembly, the whole assembly. You need to be extremely careful. Here you can see, as we said, with the hose and everything else, but practically, guys, this is it. This is your air filter box, absolutely out of the vehicle. So that's how you do it. You can see how much room you can gain. Practically you can get here now, okay, to more sensors. You can see your thermostat is here, you have vacuum lines and PCV, breather hose, quite a few things, guys. You have the oil, the coolant sensor, okay, right here. So quite repairs will need the air filter box to come out of there, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.